Hey guys, good morning. So this is my day 2 of English learning. So today I share my entire day routine, what I do practice in my whole day. So I start from morning and I start from morning, yes. And that, so first of all I show you what is time right now. So guys, it's a 4 o'clock and 14 minutes, and I just woke up and start my blog. So let's make my to-do list, what I will do in my whole day and what I practice. So, so guys, this is my to-do list of 2000 to Jan 2026. Here I make only first I start with baby steps, so I make my uh, I I make small goal for my second day. Okay, so here's the list. Uh, I I will practice vocab only 5 words, writing, then reading, TEDx talk, English podcast, song, and talk with ChatGPT half hour. Okay, so I'm I'll share my whole day routine. Till then, keep watching. Hey everyone, so I just finished my first task, which is vocab. Uh, I just watch. I just watched PC Priyanka Chopra's interview and podcast, and here is the list what I learn from this that interview. So perseverance, continuity. Perseverance मतलब continuity. Quest मतलब क्या होता है आपकी लॉन्ग सर्च. हम काफ़ी टाइम से सॉरी क्वेस्ट मतलब लॉन्ग सर्च. डायसोपोरा माइग्रेशन. Forefront, a leading position or a leader. Conduit, tube. It's not unbelievable or silly. Goofy, foolish, and perpetuate, to continue for a long time. If you can continue something for a long time, you can use this word, perpetuate. Okay, so here some motivational line I noted. Once a girl stands on her own feet, she not just takes her family forward, she takes her community forward. So I think you got it. And so I move on to my next task.
For us to raise bold girls, for us to raise girls that push the envelope, for us to invest in the girls in our communities, in our countries. Because once a girl stands on her own feet, she not just takes her family forward, she takes her community forward, which in part.
So guys, here I give you a glance how I talk to ChatGPT, and here you can see a audio sign. So you can record your audio or your voice and send to ChatGPT, and it will reply to your question. Okay, so one thing is also good with ChatGPT. If you make any mistake here, so without getting a tight slap, you got right answer. You get right answer. Okay, so this is the plus point of chat gpt. And yes, if you make mistakes can be happen with everyone, can gonna be happen with everyone, but you have to improve your mistakes. Okay, I also try. And hey guys, so this is the last task of my day 2. And hey, I just finished this chapter, your subconscious and the wonders of sleep. So this is my last task, and I completed my all task very with very enthusiasm. And yes, I'm so happy and feeling contented. And thank you for watching. Hey everyone, I'm Juhi and this is the day 2 of my English learning. So it's too late because I organized a small party in my tuition for my tuition students and yes, I'm so happy and excited because you know what, childrens are so such a healer such a healer. They are real healers. If you want to heal your inner trauma, so you should connect with a child. So let me show you my roses. See how beautiful is it is, isn't it? Or not? My beautiful roses. And yes, rose. And yes, this one. How's it, guys? So guys, uh, uh, and as usual I practice my 5-minute video on screen on camera. And guys, it takes lot of courage to speak in English in front of camera because I have both fears, because I am a camera shyness also. And yeah, I am a beginner, I am a novice in English speaking, so I just try to hide my uh, mm, my to I just try to hard to speak right. If I make some mistakes, so let me know in a comment box. And today I organize a small party for my tuition students because it's a new year party. Okay, so I'm so happy, so excited because i I'm that person who likes children so much. I So guys, I started in the morning. I started with vocab. After vocab, I practice uh, to listen a English song which is unstoppable. And after that, I read I read I read uh, one chapter of a book which is the power of a subconscious mind. And after that, I saw a podcast of Priyanka Chopra where I learned a lot, a lot. Not only English, but also I learn I I learn most of motivational lines, how to keep strong in any difficult situation, how to face failures. So guys, it is a fantastic day. Day 2 of my English learning going on superb. And in the end, I'll tell you my all strategies which I followed my entire day. Okay, so I try to speak in English. Uh, I try to not say any word in Hindi. And yes, if you also want to improve your English, so you can follow me. And you can follow me. And if you can make your own goals, you can make your own goals. So guys, be the part of my this beautiful journey. I grow day by day, and I'll share my journey and my growth in English speaking on YouTube channel. And today I learn a line from Priyanka Chopra where she said, uh, uh, you have to take baby step to start something. ठीक है? Okay, so yeah, if you want to achieve your goals, so you have to start. First of all, you have to start. Make it rocket it. First you make your goals, then work on it. You can take baby steps. First you keep your goals so मतलब so small. Like I start today nahi, from from yesterday I start my English speaking journey. And I set only to my yesterday I set only two to three goals for my entire day. And today I started with 6 to 7 goals. So till then I almost worked on 90% of my goals. So I feel so fantastic, so satisfied, so contented. And yes, you see my energy and you see my satisfaction level, how happy I am now. So if you also want to be part of my this beautiful journey, hit the subscribe button. And so bye bye, and meet you sorry, we'll see you in next video, which is day 3 of English speaking. Thank you for watching.